What if I told you the secret to ancient health lies in your kitchen? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how ancient Greeks used olive oil for everything. They didn't just cook with it. They used it as medicine. Olive oil was a beauty product. It was a necessity. Doctors prescribed olive oil for a variety of ailments. It was used to treat wounds. Even athletes applied it to their bodies. It helped to keep skin supple and muscles strong. Modern science backs many of these uses. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants. It's great for heart health. Enhances your skin quality. So, next time you use olive oil, remember its amazing history. Hit the like button if you found this useful.